Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a phone number to TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the TikTok app and tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile, tap on the three lines or three dots button in the top right corner to open Settings. In Settings, tap on Manage Account. Tap Phone Number. Now select your country code and type your phone number into the text box. Then tap Send Code. You will now receive a verification code. Type that code into the text field. Your number has now been added to TikTok. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.